Yo, what's up guys? Ayan. Good evening sa atin lahat. So currently, lunch break ko ngayon. Ngayon, I'm going to share how to link your credit card or debit card sa Green GSM app. So of course, every one of you, especially for those users ng credit card or debit card, is mabilis na payment na lang. Ibig sabihin, pag drop off sa inyo ng driver, no talk, alis na agad. Okay, then the driver will process for you. So ngayon, paano natin malilink yun? Okay. First and foremost, you must have Green GSM app. Okay, tama. So dapat mayroon kang Green GSM app. Okay, so ito, punta kayo dito sa account and sa payment. Ngayon, sa payment, makikita nyo dyan yan, may mga list. So, may Union Bank, may BPI. If hindi kayo gumagamit ng dalawang yon, Union Bank or BPI, click nyo lang ito sa pinakataas. Okay, so yan, i-manually input nyo dyan ngayon yung credit card or debit card. Alright, so yun lang naman, ganun kadali lang yun. So kapag mag-process kayo ng payment or during booking, pwede nyo na siyang iset. Alright, ayun lang naman. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Goodbye. Subscribe.